Hi, and it's Clare Maxfield here from Image Innovators, and this week's style tip is the number one element you need to dress up any outfit. So getting ready this morning, and I popped on my dress because it is close to 30 degrees today, and this is my little dress. And in and of itself, it is fine. But sometimes you'll be going into a meeting, and for men and women, generally men, you won't be wearing a top like this. You're in a business meeting, you'll have a shirt on. But one layer is not as professional as when you add a jacket. So today when I was getting ready, and I thought, oh, I know I'm going to be doing a video lately, and I really, unless it's really hot, don't like doing sleeveless at work. I found my little summer lightweight wear anytime jacket with anything because it's lightweight. The colour goes with everything in my wardrobe. And when it's really hot, I roll it up to a 3/4 sleeve and just sits on, and it just changes the look of my outfit, dresses it up slightly, and makes me look that little bit more professional. So what do? I recommend to all of my male and female clients, always make sure you've got a jacket in your office that you can throw on. So no matter what you've worn to work at any day, you'll have something to dress up your outfit. Now, generally you want this jacket to be plain, so it will go with most things, or something with a very slight texture in it or print. And ladies, if you're going to get caught out and you don't think a jacket will go, make sure you've got a scarf just to throw around the shoulders. I know you might be thinking, that sounds a bit old-fashioned, Claire, but you just never know when there's someone coming in and you've gone, this is not how I wanted to be dressed today. So a jacket or a scarf can help you raise your image simply and quickly. Hope you enjoyed this week's style tip. Clare Maxfield here from Image Innovators, with tools, resources and training for image consultants all around the globe. Don't forget to subscribe and contact me if you've got any more questions. Bye for now.